Welcome to Vedavyasa Academy. Now here in this session we discuss about the function chapter. In that part here greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function? What is fractional part function? Greatest integer function symbol this one and fractional part function symbol this one. Okay, all of you. Here, first of all, we discuss greatest integer function. What is greatest integer function? Greatest integer function. Here, f r to r is a function defined as f of x is equal to step x. F r to r is a function defined as f of x is equal to x and range n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. Here range n less than or equal to x less than n plus 1. F r to r is defined f of x is equal to step x on n less than or equal to x less than n plus then f of x is equal to step x is equal to n. So means what? So x is equal to 1.732. So f of 1.732 is equal to step of 1.732 is equal to 1. F of minus 2.321 is equal to step of minus 2.321 is equal to minus 3. F of 0.123 is equal to step of 0.123 value is equal to 0. Means here what is the value? Here you take less than or equal to function. This is the less than or equal to function. Here 1.732 is there. We take less than value. Here what is the x value you observe here? X belongs to closed interval 1 and open interval 2. You see all of you. Then you take the value 1. So here also x belongs to closed interval minus 3 and open interval minus 2. Open interval minus 2. Here x belongs to closed interval 0 and open interval 1. So this is the range of this function. Okay, all of you. And one more fractional part of function. Here, next fraction part of the function. Second one, fractional part of the function. Okay, all of you. Fractional part of the function f r to r and f of x is equal to defined as fractional of x or this is x. Suppose f of 0.732, this is fraction of 0.732 is equal to 0.732. F of 1.732, here you take fraction of 1.732 is equal to 0.732. Like this you take only fractional part. This is equal to like this 1.732 is equal to 0.732. So f r to r means F domain is or codomain is or range. Range is only fractions. Range is fractions. This is neither even nor odd number. This here range is neither even nor odd number. But here range of step function, greatest integer function is always integers. Range is always integers, whereas in greatest integer function. Okay, all of you. So this is the fractional part of the function and the greatest integer function. Here one more comparison you see here. This is one more comparison you see here in this greatest integer function, fractional part of the function. So here step x is equal to x plus this is fractional part of the function. Suppose 1.732 step is equal to 1 plus this is the 0.732. Means step x is equal to x plus fractional part of the function, or x is equal to what? Step x minus fractional part of the function. Step x minus fractional part of the function, or you take step x minus fractional part of the function is this is the x integral of the function or x value. So you like this here. One more. Here what is the graph of the function? You see all of you, this is the graph of the function for greatest integer function. Graph of the greatest integer function, this is the x axis, this is the y axis, y dash, x axis, x dash, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. You observe here, this is the graph and this is the graph and this is the graph. So this one and this one. This is the graph of the greatest integer function. So fractional part of the function graph. You see all of you, this is the x-axis, x dash, 0, y dash. This is y, x is equal to 1. No, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2. You see, this is x is equal to 1, this one. This is x is equal to 2 and this one. This is x is equal to 3 and this one. This is the graph of the function. Graph of the function. You see, what is the period of this one? 1. F of step x is equal to period is equal to. What is the period of this one? F of x is equal to fractional part of x is equal to 1. This is the period of this fraction greatest integer function, fractional part of the function. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you for watching my video.